Okay, let's turn on this machine. As you can see, we have two probes. Yeah, this one is linear probe. We provide two probes at standard configuration. This one is 3.5 MHz abdominal probe, and this one is 7.5 linear probe. Then turn on this machine, and we will select the probe you need. We will show you how to use this ultrasound. Okay. Now this is linear probe. We will choose this one, and we choose on the monitor. This one we choose general. You see the monitor? Yeah. I'm probing my neck. We touch CF. You can see my blood. Yes. Okay, we found it. So we clean the PW. Yeah, you can see my blood, and we change it to my blood. We freeze it, store it. So now we got it. So we got this. We finish. So if you also need it, you can see it on the monitor, or you can print it with your printer. Okay, we also have a friend to comment to us. He is Donald Maneke. He's my older friend. Yes, thank you very much for watching my live show. Yes, it's very interesting. Okay, now as you can see, this is the monitor. We just have to show you how to use this ultrasound. So now let's talk about this ultrasound performance. For this mode, we have CF, this one, color flow mode, double ultrasonic scanner system, which can show V mode image and Doppler blood flow data, like blood flow direction, speed, velocity, just like I showed you before. This dispersion simultaneously. We also have the PW plus with Doppler. That means the launch and reception of ultrasonic blast wave are processed by one probe and start to receive echo signal after delay of scheduled time. Okay, so if you are interested in this model, please don't hesitate to send a message to us, and our sales will provide you more support, like the price and the delivery time, or if you have any question, please feel free to comment below. Okay, now let's check the standard configuration of this color Doppler. We have probe 1 and probe 2, we have main unit, and this 12-inch LED monitor, convex probe, linear probe, two probe connectors. Besides, for the options, we have 6.5 MHz transversionary probe, trolley, printers, biospheric kit, aluminum case. About the printer, both Sony brand and HP are acceptable. Okay, that's all for our portable color Doppler. Except this portable type, we have also the trolley type and the black and white. If you need them, please click the link below. Tell us what you need. We are here for you.